are we're gonna count to 10. We're gonna start with that. So un means one, so one dog, un chien. Deux, it's two. Three, c'est trois. Donc trois, three. Quatre, it's it's two syllables. Quatre, and it's for four. Cinq, it's five. Six. This one's more complicated to say, to pronounce, and it's six, but you need to say it in a slow. The X is not really hard. It's just a slow X. It's kind of like the S. So sis. Set. The P is silent, so you only pronounce the T. So set, seven. Huit. And in French, we don't really pronounce the H, so it's huit, and not huit. It's huit, and it's eight. Neuf, nine. Dix, it's kind of like the same thing as six. Six, mais on dit dix. So the X again is like an S for 10. So 10, this. So I'm gonna give you a situation. You're at the museum. You need a ticket. A ticket in French is billet. So billet. The two L's is doing kind of like the same. It's the same sound as the Y. So billet. Heure, that means o'clock. So if you want to leave at 2 o'clock, we will say 2 heures. Dollars, it's written the same thing as in French, but we are never pronouncing the S at the end when it's plural, so it's dollar. And yes, there are 2 L's, but we only pronounce it as one, so dollar. Combien de billets pour toi, monsieur? That means how many tickets for you, mister? Donc, combien de billets, so how many tickets, pour toi, for you, monsieur, mister. Je voudrais 3 billets. That would be your answer if you wanted 3 tickets. I would like 3 tickets. So je voudrais, I would like 3 billets, tickets. Nous avons 3 tours à 4 heures, 5 heures et 6 heures. Lequel est-ce que tu préfères? So I'm going to just, it's a long sentence, but don't worry, it's not that hard. So, nous avons 3 tours. We have 3 tours. I wouldn't say turns in English. It's more like nous avons 3 tours. We have 3 expositions or 3 events or 3 like walking. Depends on what is the activity. For the museum, I think it would be an event. So we have 3 events or 3 representations. Yeah, representation is more like it. À 4 heures. So it's à 4 heures. At for the A. At 4 hours. 4 o'clock. Sorry. So at 4 o'clock. À 4 heures. 5 heures. So he's describing, actually the person's describing, is saying the hours. So à 4 heures, at 4 o'clock, or 5 o'clock, 5 heures, and 6 o'clock, so 6 heures. And again, you don't pronounce the S after every heure. We don't pronounce them. Lequel est-ce que tu préfères? That's a question mark. So that's a question, and it means which of those hours do you prefer? To which one do you want to choose? So lequel, which one est-ce que tu Which one do you préfère? Je préfère le tour à 4 heures. That's the answer. So I prefer the representation at 4 o'clock. So je préfère, I prefer, le tour, so the representation or the event or depending, à 4 heures, at 4 o'clock. Ça coûte $9. So it means that cost $9. Ça coûte, it costs $9, $9. Chaque billet coûte $3. So each ticket costs $3. Voila. That's even in English, voila. It's the same thing. And merci, madame. Au revoir. So thank you, madame. Goodbye.